With a 32% one-day jump in the number of new coronavirus infections, India recorded 38,617 fresh COVID-19 cases in the last 24 hours, government data shows. India also saw 474 COVID-related deaths in the last 24 hours, taking its overall fatalities to 1,30,993. So far, the country has recorded a total of 89.12 COVID cases so far since the January outbreak. Here's your 10-point cheat sheet to this big story. First, the national daily COVID case rise in the last 24 hours reflects increased testing, which finally touched 9.3 lakh after dropping to about 8 lakh over the weekend because of Diwali festivities. It pushed up the positivity rate to 4.1%. Second, on Tuesday, the Health Ministry had warned that the country was yet to see the effects of laxity in following COVID safe behavior during the Diwali festivities and recently concluded state elections in Bihar and by-polls elsewhere. Effects will play out over the next week to 15 days, Union Health Secretary Rajesh Bhushan said. Third, to check coronavirus spread, many states including Bihar, Maharashtra, Delhi and Jharkhand have banned community celebrations of Chhath festival on November 20th. Fourth, Delhi, which is currently logging the highest one-day COVID-19 infections and deaths in India, saw its weekend case count double to 6,396 on Tuesday as the number of tests went up from 30,000 to 49,031. Testing in the city will be increased to 1 lakh to 1.2 lakh, the Health Ministry has said. Fifth, Kerala 5,792, West Bengal 3,654, Maharashtra 2,732 and Haryana 2,450 together with Delhi accounted for 54% of all cases. Sixth, almost 58% one-day COVID deaths were also reported from the 4 states with highest daily infections and Punjab 30. 7. The number of active cases remained below 5 lakh for the 8th consecutive day. There are 4,46,805 active cases of coronavirus infections in the country as on date, which comprises 5.1% of the total caseload, the data stated. 8th, in last 24 hours, number of recoveries remained more than fresh cases as 44,739 people fought off the viral disease. With this, India's total number of COVID-19 recoveries crossed 83 lakh. 9th, the United Nations has said it's releasing $100 million in aid for 7 countries to avoid famine because of the coronavirus pandemic. Since the December outbreak in China, Wuhan, more than 5.4 crore coronavirus cases have been recorded around the world so far. 10th, though researchers are still working on a vaccine, there's been a bit news this month from US drug makers Pfizer and Moderna as well as Russia that showed the experimental vaccines were over 90% effective based on interim data from large late-stage trials. In Goa, 154 new positive cases were reported on 17 November. 191 people recovered in last 24 hours and Goa's recovery rate is 95.56%. Total 667 deaths are reported in Goa till 17th November.
Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.